Did you know Jim Jones practiced mass murder for years before he actually did it? Long before 918 people died at Jonestown, Jones was running sick rehearsals called White Nights. He would gather his followers in the middle of the night, hand them cups of liquid, tell them it was poison. Then he would watch them drink it, watch the terror in their eyes as they waited to die. After they collapsed in fear, he would laugh, tell them it was just a test of loyalty. This happened dozens of times. Jones was addicted to speed and growing more paranoid every day. He convinced his people that the government was coming to torture their children. When Congressman Leo Ryan showed up to investigate in 1978, Jones knew it was over. This time the poison was real. Cyanide mixed with Flavor Aid. Audio recordings captured Jones ordering parents to kill their children first. He called it revolutionary suicide. Those who refused were shot by armed guards. The youngest victim was 3 months old.